forming as we speak, and right ahead of it, really cold air has established itself across Connecticut. No doubt about it. When you step outside, it is one of those mornings where you absolutely need to cover every ounce of skin. You can see here that we do have Colebrook coming in at -14. That's at Todd's house. Michelle in Eastford has -13. And in Norfolk this morning, we have -6. And we want to thank Bill and Carol for that temperature. So man, it is cold. It's been cold quite a while. This is our iCam over Simsbury. This was yesterday, and it was helping setting the stage for the cold air tonight because the skies cleared out. See all that snow that's on the ground, fresh and fluffy. And so when you have all of that on the ground too, you can get radiation like mad, and you get mornings like this. Well, it's going to cloud up today. It's already started to do that. Snow is going to be developing this afternoon. And especially across eastern Connecticut, we're going to have some steady and sometimes even heavy snow possible, especially right along the Rhode Island border tonight with lows 12 to 19. That ensures the snow that we do get not only is light and fluffy, but can blow around in the wind that's going to develop tomorrow. Notice how early morning pinpoint Doppler is quiet, at least in terms of snow now, although we are starting to see some returns across western Connecticut. I suspect that might be more virga and not reaching the ground yet. But when you broaden out the view, you can see somewhat of a disorganized patch of snow showers working through the eastern Great Lakes right now. This is the seed storm that, as it comes closer to the coastline, redevelops and then moves up just to the east of New England and gives especially eastern New England blizzard conditions, but even across southeastern Connecticut, all the way as far west as New Haven along the shoreline, winds might be enough that we could see blowing snow and reduced visibility and close to blizzard conditions. You can see with our early warning futurecast, this is one model's version of snow accumulation by the end of this. This model is the lower end of the scale. Many models bring in more water equivalent than this, which would suggest a lot more snow than this. In fact, our official forecast is higher than that, but I wanted to let you know some models are showing a lower accumulation total than what we're going to be showing you as the official forecast. Here you go at noon, we start to see the snow breaking out. Notice how temperatures are marginal. They're not that bad. Upper 20s, maybe close to 30 degrees today as the snow is starting, but the cold air comes in as the storm really develops, and that ensures that as it's really starting to snow after midnight, that the temperatures will be coming down into the teens and low 20s, and this is that light, fluffier snow that we're expecting to happen. And you can see by morning tomorrow, we are going to see temperatures in the teens and then staying there through the afternoon. Here's about 1:45 in the afternoon. And notice through the day, look what's happening to temperatures as the storm is retreating. Man, it's getting cold. By 7 p.m. tomorrow, -2 in Salisbury is possible. Here's the forecast. We're looking at 4 to 8 inches through Greater Hartford, 6 to 10 along the Rhode Island border, maybe as far west as Willimantic. And there you go across far western Connecticut. Notice how we have that 3 to 6 inch total expected. Here's your early warning 7-day forecast. Happy Valentine's Day. There you go. I like that heart.
I like it too.
I know. And then as we head into Sunday.
It's like it's exploding.
It is. And it's exploding with snow tonight. And it's tomorrow. The snow exits by noon tomorrow. And then a little bit of sun tries to come out. But notice that 15. That's earlier in the day. Temperatures are sliding through the day. -8 Sunday night. -8.
Oh.
And then Monday, sunshine, windy. Only 12. Wind chills will be below 0 even with the sun in the afternoon on Monday.
Yeah, the -8 isn't even the only negative number on there. That's what's distracting me, is that I see so many negative numbers up there.
Welcome to Anchorage.
Yeah. I wonder if we're going to have another winter where it's warmer there than it is here.
You know, it's quite possible.
I should check in. One of my good friends lives up there, and last winter they had like no snow. And of course, you remember we had tons.
Yeah.
So it was very strange.
And we are on target to having one of the coldest months in quite a while. Wow. So.
But it is Valentine's Day, so we want to wish everyone a happy Valentine's Day. And I got Mike a little surprise here.
Oh, wow.
So, Mike.
Am I supposed to guess how many are in there? That's always the question.
This is a jar full of conversation hearts. And you told me that you actually had a little rough experience with conversation hearts.
Well, because when I was in 2nd grade, they had guess how many are in there.
2nd grade.
And I won that. And then I decided, well, it was time to eat them all in the course of a day or so.
He ate a whole jar of conversation hearts.
Not all
that doesn't
of them,
go well.
Enough, you know. Don't do that.
So I thought maybe we would bring you a nice little Channel 3 candy jar full of them. And I want all of you to guess how many are in here. We actually know how many are in here, of course. Brenda Kestenbaum is responsible for that. She's very good at this sort of thing. So head to our WFSB Facebook page and try to guess how many conversation hearts are in this jar. I'm looking forward to see what you guys think. And we'll let you know a little bit later on the show what the actual answer is.
In other words, I can't have one yet.
I'm going to make you guess too.
Okay, all right. We'll give it a shot.
And then we'll subtract by 1 every time you eat one.